Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. This week's video is going to be a very highly requested video, and it is my space bun tutorial, and I'm so excited to show you guys how to do this. It's pretty easy. It requires a little bit of practice in the beginning, but with some practice, you'll be able to do it. Here are the supplies that you're going to need. First of all, a hairbrush. Doesn't matter which one it is. Some alligator clips to separate your hair while you're curling it. Elastic bands for your hair. You can either get the black or clear ones. I personally like the black ones because my hair is black and they look like this. Some bobby pins and a curling wand. It doesn't really matter what curling wand you use. I personally love the T3 curling iron because of the barrel size. It has a pretty big barrel size for the length of my hair, and I love how it kind of gives me these beachy waves. So now that I've showed you all the tools that you're going to use, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to start off with is parting my hair. And I don't do this in any specific way. I just kind of like grab a chunk of piece from the top and then I twirl it around. And then I kind of just clip it like that. Then the remaining hair, I bring it to the front in two sections. I then take my favorite iron and I just start curling my hair. And then once it's done, I just hold it a little bit so it could cool off in my hand. And I kind of squeeze it just so that the curls could last a little bit longer. And then voila, got a curl. So I'm going to do the same thing throughout my whole hair. I'm just going to take a little bit of sections. Alright, so once we've got our hair nice and curled, we are going to make a part down the middle. And normally I just kind of do this, I just brush it and then separate. It doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of like eyeball it. I'm going to work with this section first, and this is going to be the fun part because we actually get to make our section and then use our bobby pins to make our little balls, or to make our little buns. So I'm going to clip the section so it doesn't bother me, and I'm just going to work with this part. So we're going to take a little bit of hair. I like to leave a little bit here so it kind of just falls over my ear. And I'm just going to take a section of my hair over here And then with this hair tie, I'm going to tighten the hair. So it should look something like this, and we're gonna tighten it a little bit. So you kind of have like a little pony. Once you have your pony, bring it around and then put a bobby pin. And that way it kind of has a base to go off of, and then you keep going around and then you would bobby pin that last strand of hair. So if you feel the need to use more bobby pins, you could definitely do that. And I do recommend it if you feel like, you know, one strand of hair is kind of coming out, just bobby pin it. I recommend kind of just also opening it up a little bit. Just mess around with it until you're happy. Sometimes what ends up happening is when you do the other one comes out better, and then you're like, oh, now I'm gonna redo this one. So just kind of like play it by ear and see what you feel looks better. So now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Again, I leave a little bit of hair. Take the scrunchie, or the little elastic band, I should say. Bobby pin. And so you see what happens when I bobby pin it, it stays down, and then that's kind of like my foundation, and then I just put my hair around it. And then bobby pin that last strand. You could also like hide it in the bun as well. And then you could open it up, just be kind of gentle when you're opening it up, because sometimes the hair falls. And then what you could also do is make this a little poofier, and then you've got your little space buns. Another thing, you can also do this with your hair straight. I did, you know, in the beginning, I curled my hair because I feel like this hairstyle looks so cute when you've got some nice popping curls. Alright guys, so that is how you complete my space bun tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you end up doing these space buns on your hair. Please tag me on Instagram so that I can see all of your beautiful pictures. One thing to keep in mind is that sometimes they may come out a little bit lopsided, or one's gonna come out better than the other one. So you're probably going to start finding yourself redoing it, and that's okay. Eventually you're going to get the hang of it, and sometimes all you need to do is, like, if one is further out this way, you just kind of like push it like where you want it to go and just bobby pin it. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. So that is all that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.